Guys, any old shotgun round will blow up a water jug, but what about for HD? Let's try a few different rounds and find out how it does. Alright guys, we've got our HD device set up. This is a Philips 1080 flat screen TV. First up, we're going to try some birdshot. But this isn't your average load of birdshot here. This is 2 ounces of number 4s at a muzzle velocity of 1,300 feet per second. That's ripping. Woo! Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, so that 2 ounces of birdshot hit like a sledgehammer. Let's see what 8 pellets of triple-aught buckshot will do. Oh man, I see some daylight coming through there. We're doing a number on this HD device. So there's a birdshot, buckshot. Let's put a slug through there and see how it reacts. All right. It's like I figured, a nice clean punch through hole. All right, so looking at our results here, all 3 of the loads completely penetrated the HD device. Now your results may vary if you're using a 720 device. This was a 1080, but of course some of the birdshot didn't penetrate all the way through, but the center mass did. All 8 of the triple-aught pellets went through. The slug went clean through, except, you know, the wadding left a couple extra holes there, but the slug hole itself just went clean through like I figured it would. But so what load is best for HD? That depends on the device you're shooting, the distance you plan on shooting from. But on this Philips 1080 device, I think any of the 3 would be a great choice. Alright, so if you're wondering, here's the back side. Of course we're reversed now. Birdshot, buckshot, and slug. You can see all 3 went right through. I think the buckshot caused the most damage there though. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again soon. That left a scuff. Maybe it'll buff out.